Thanks for catching up with Marine Surety. I wanted to share some important updates about the yacht insurance landscape that directly affects our clients and partners. We've noticed a significant 12% increase in yacht-related incidents during 2023, which really emphasizes why comprehensive coverage is more crucial than ever. At Marine Surety, we're constantly adapting our coverage solutions to address these evolving risks. Our latest data shows that modern vessel protection needs have expanded beyond traditional hull and liability coverage. We're seeing increased demand for specialized protection, particularly in areas like electronic equipment coverage, for sophisticated navigation systems, and enhanced hurricane protection, given the changing weather patterns in maritime regions. For our high-value vessel clients, we've recently expanded our custom coverage options to include protection for fine art, collectibles, and specialized equipment. Our risk management services continue to evolve, offering professional crew training programs and comprehensive safety inspections. I'm particularly excited about our new emergency response protocols and claims management system, which now provides 24/7 access and improved coordination for salvage operations. We're also staying ahead of emerging trends by developing new products for cybersecurity protection and environmental liability coverage. Remember, whether you're a current client or considering Marine Surety for your vessel protection needs, our team of experts is always here to help you navigate these complex waters. Keep your vessels protected and sail safely.